Welcome to the Investing Podcast, presented by Tusk Media. For a quick audio and video check-in on the stock market, here's the Stock Market Power Lunch.
Bon appetit, everybody. Hope you guys are enjoying your lunches as I give you your Stock Market Power Lunch. This is, of course, the Investing Podcast presented by Tusk Media. So let's go ahead and jump right into the markets. The Dow thus far is down 40 basis points, while the S&P is down 16 basis points. The last I checked, the NASDAQ was up 4 basis points, while the global Dow was down 27 basis points. In terms of gold and oil, gold today up 58 basis points, while oil was down almost 1.5%. Your movers thus far, a big one today is Ford, and the Ford stock price really tumbled today, 9.5% down. Following their announced Q2 profits, and these profits greatly missed investors' expectations, and that's put the share price on a track to see its largest daily drop in more than 5 years. So a big mover there. Another big loser thus far has been Whole Foods Markets, and they gave out their week projections today and their early earnings reports, and they honestly beat analysts' bearish expectations of a 2.3% decline in their comparable sales, and instead they came out with a 2.6 decline. So they unfortunately beat the already bearish expectations, and the stock price has suffered thus far. They were down about 9.5% as well. So two big losers today thus far. A winner and also a piece of news here is Oracle. Oracle today announced its plans to buy NetSuite Incorporated for $9.3 billion. And a lot of people are seeing this as a good move for Oracle, as they are now doing more for what they can offer in terms of the cloud space. NetSuite does a lot of cloud computing, so having Oracle attain them is no doubt good for their business as they seek to expand and catch up to competitors in that space. And that leads really to one of the biggest winners today. Not too many notable stocks up today, but NetSuite, after the announcement, was up 18%, so we do see a big gainer there. Lastly, a little bit of plugging to do. Don't forget, today at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, we will be going live with a special live edition of the Investing Podcast. And you can check us out on Periscope. We will tweet the link shortly before. You can tune in, you can comment as we do it. You'll be able to see us go behind the scenes as to how we get all this going. And I, for one, am kind of hoping Andrew breaks his streak. He has not messed up thus far in our live broadcasts. We've had all perfect takes, but maybe he'll mess up today. You'll have to tune in to check that out. Make sure to hit subscribe and follow us on Twitter at Tusk Media LLC to get that link. And another bit of plug to do here, Andrew actually gave a speech last night at his church. He was talking about money in relation to the Bible and what the Bible says about how to obtain money, how to view money, basically what to do with all things money. I've checked it out. It's a great conversation. He did an outstanding job. So be sure to check that out. That's available on Spreaker. If you're subscribed to us, that should already be in your feed. But if not, it's on Spreaker. Check us out. We are the user at Tusk Media. We'll be back later, 4:15 Eastern Time. Remember, we'll be there for our live Periscope broadcast. And we look forward to seeing you guys. Have a great day.
Tusk Media is a subsidiary of Narwhal Capital Management. Ratings and reviews of Tusk Media content are not to be construed as endorsements of opinions, analysis, or services offered by Tusk or its parent company. The opinions and predictions shared here are our professional beliefs at the time of publication. We are not under duress from any of the corporate entities mentioned. This is not a solicitation to take any particular action. Although we are investment advisors, this information should not be considered investment, legal, or tax advice. We strive to be as impartial, insightful, and accurate as possible. We base our opinions, analysis, and calculations on information we believe to be reliable, but we cannot guarantee its accuracy. We can, however, guarantee that our opinions will sometimes be flat out wrong due to a variety of factors. Employees and clients of Narwhal Capital Management may or may not hold positions in the securities detailed and may or may not hold these positions in the future. A full list of all securities purchased, sold, or held during the 12 months preceding the date of this publication can be provided upon request. Unless otherwise noted, all data accessed via MarketWatch or the Bloomberg terminal. Past performance does not guarantee future results. A copy of Narwhal's Form ADV is available at the SEC's website, www.advisorinfo.sec.gov, or from Narwhal upon written request.